Hello home buyers, Mumbaikar from Mumbai. Today I, Sorang Borua from Regrowth Infrastructure Private Limited is going to be talking about the advantages for resident buyers and the real estate field due to the COVID-19 pandemic. First of all, talking about the introduction, the Money Preacher of India had introduced information of the initial real estate in Mumbai as well as the second tranche of the rupees 20 lakh crore stimulation package that was revealed by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May 12, 2020 to take care of the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic in India. While several measures have actually been taken to suit the industry and the common people, alleviation has been announced for the property field also. Talking about the property field, forces conjured for the property field. The Money Minister on May 13, 2020 revealed the suo motu expansion of due days under the RERA by conjuring up the pressure majeure. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, a multitude of programmers were dealing with delays in project conclusion as well as got on the brink of action from the regulative authority. The force majeure provision will certainly permit relief to such programmers that require more time to complete their projects. With stakeholders being allowed to count on the force majeure provisions, there is much respite for designers and service providers alike. New property in Mumbai, the extension of the building duration by 6 months with no cost ramification for all federal government jobs and the leisure of international tender standard for projects under rupees 200 crores will likewise give alleviation for the construction field. Additionally, RERAs will be empowered to make use of this arrangement to guarantee job conclusions are implemented within the extended time frame, and we'll really hope that even more measures for real estate and the building would be announced in the coming months. Talking about the liquidity increase for NBFCs, HFCs and also MFIs, the government has actually introduced a liquidity increase of rupees 70,000 crores to support the real estate market so that it can conquer the COVID-19 problem. Its extension of planned efforts to install more liquidity in financing companies. There is a brand new home window for borrowing up to rupees 30,000 crores by NBFCs, non-banking financial firms, HFCs, real estate money companies, MFIs, microfinance establishment, which will assured by the federal government, and also another rupees 45,000 crores under a partial guarantee plan, which will install credit report to real estate sector. The government and the RBI have regularly been taking considerable actions to resolve liquidity concerns of financing business and real estate claimed by industry experts. Talking about the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan tranche, need side disregarded. Nonetheless, not everyone has revealed complete dissatisfaction with the news thus far. A lot of news have actually been for the benefits of the vendors. Actions are called for to improve the views of resident customers as well. The news made by the Money Minister and the very first in the collection contain numerous procedures targeting at improving liquidity and also credit report flow from MSMEs and BFCs as well as smaller size services. The procedures are more on the supply side as well. It is very little on the demand side. Possibly the future news may have extra balance protection of demand as well as supply side factors. Demand side variables normally have a tendency to function quicker as it is oriented in the direction of the consuming industry. So, talking about the stimulation bundle, will the coronavirus stimulation bundle assist home customers? Among the measures announced in tranche 2, the finance freeze prolonged the deadline for the credit-linked aid scheme (CLSS) by 1 year. This news has re-emphasized the government's program of promoting cost-effective real estate as its real estate for all program. Flat in Kharghar at low budget, the extension of the CLSS for another year will aid demand in the affordable real estate industry to inch back as and when the economic situation starts to revive. This in turn will aid the building and construction field to reboot procedures at the earliest. Nonetheless, for the need for housing to return, regardless of the classification, the economic climate has to start growing at a secure rate as well as give individual economic security. Hence, to examine the overall effect on the real estate market, we have to await future announcements from the FM, including for infrastructure and also various other actions for demand enhancement. The announcement referring to require majority will certainly enable designers to extend their job conclusion day as well as other turning points. This means that house customers will get postponed ownership and they will not have the ability to challenge it legally, as the force majeure states we were when agreements are not honored due to acts of court. or situations that are beyond anybody's control. This was a video by Regrowth Infrastructure Private Limited. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in buying a property over here in Kharghar, then you should contact us, the Regrowth team, so we can offer you the best prices, best discounts, best offers, and also let you know further details about the available projects. The contact information for the same is given below in the description below. Thank you.